6121 Flaming Arrow. We have properties in this neighborhood and in the nearby neighborhoods, and they've been successful for us. I was actually at this property before this seller bought it, and it was in rough condition, to say the least, but I have to say they did a pretty incredible rehab on it. So I'm counting this window, 2, maybe that needs a paper arch fan, 3, 4, 5 windows in this area, possibly 6 if you count that one, since we have 2 windows on the other side of it, so maybe for privacy, but I don't think any of these other picture windows need it. The paint is like a cementish gray, but not super gray. And the flooring looks to be not only in good condition because it was just recently installed, but fairly decent quality, maybe average. We have a space saver microwave. The handles are brass or brass-ish, which doesn't match too much, but it's a very beautiful rehab with quartz counters, undermount sink, gooseneck, and you have the fishbone backsplash. A number of windows that need blinds, need to add a fridge, so it'll probably be stainless steel since we have such a nice feel to this property. You want to keep it nice. There was previously items that needed to be junked that have been removed, plus it's been rockscaped. So there are some weeds growing that needs to be addressed, but that's something that we do at pretty much all of the properties when we first buy it. So there is going to be a lot of evening sun hitting this side of the property, and we don't have a patio cover, but we do have a lot of really cute greenery that's fairly low maintenance, so that helps to make up for some of that. We also do have the solar screens on the outside of the property, but as I mentioned, that side of the house will get hot, and maybe we want to keep that. That's the property manager's decision. So we have some nice crown molding around this built-in entertainment center, which makes it look a little less dated. We need a blind here. We already have a shelf and a rack. Of course, we don't need closet guides on that. These are French doors. It's technically a bedroom because it has a closet, but they will probably use it as an office. So this bathroom has the older sink in it, but the flooring really brings up the feel, and this light fixture is nice. We need a blind here, and the shower is really beautiful. Really beautiful. And this would be the bathroom that guests use, and if they were to use that office as a bedroom, this would be the bathroom for it. So, in other words, you probably won't actually be using it. Lots of storage and shelves in this laundry room. The flooring is consistent. So we want to make sure this garage door slams shut behind us. I've never seen the garage door opener off to the side like that, so I don't know if it works or not. Maybe it does. But we do have a garage door opener on the 3rd car garage as well. If we rekey, which we will, then we need to rekey that door. And the water heater has a pan and earthquake straps. We'll see if the fridge works. If it does, then maybe keep it, otherwise junk it. Okay, let's head upstairs. Carpet looks nice. Of course, it's new. Yeah, as I'm coming upstairs, I'm starting to think the paint is not gray. Maybe it's a little tan. But either way, it's basically the color that we would have chosen. Definitely need some blinds on there. Really nice undermount square sinks with cute faucets, nice and modern. Get some blinds in here. Tile on the surround. Beautiful shower. Energy Star thermostat. Need a couple blinds on here. We don't have a light or a ceiling fan. We do have a smoke detector. Same in this room. So we need a shower rod in here. Cabinets look pretty good. Nice faucet and fixture. Get a blind. We already have a towel rod. I don't know what's going on here. So I don't think this was considered the master because there's no ensuite, but it's a beautiful large room with high vaulted ceilings and a gorgeous fireplace.